Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 14.4 question number 11 to 21. Find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statements. Now question number 11. Question number 11 here you see is question number 11. That is y minus 3 whole square is equal to y square minus 9. Let us find the value of left hand side. Value of left hand side is equal to y minus 3 whole square, that is equal to y minus 3 whole square. If we use the identity a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, then we are getting y square minus 2 into 3 to y plus 3 square. Then we are getting y square minus 6y plus 9, which is not equal to right hand side, because right hand side is y square given as y square minus 9. That is the error. To solve question number 12. Question number 12 is z plus 5 whole square is equal to z square plus 25. If you start from left hand side, you are getting z plus 5 whole square, z plus 5. If you use the identity a plus b whole square, then we are getting a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is z square plus 2 into 5 into z plus 5 square. We are getting z square plus 10z plus 5 to 25, which is not equal to right hand side, because in right hand side it is given as z square plus 25, which is not correct. Let's solve question number 13. Question number 13 here you see is question number 13 2a plus 3b 2a plus 3b into a minus b to a minus b, and that is equal to 2a square minus 3b square minus 3b square. Let us find the left hand side. The value of left hand side, that is equal to 2a plus 3b plus 3b into a minus b. Therefore, it can be written as 2a into a minus b plus 3b into a minus b. If we multiply, we are getting 2a into a, that is 2a square minus 2ab plus 3ab minus 3b square. Therefore, we are getting 2a square minus 2b plus 3ab is plus ab minus 3b square, and it is not equal to right hand side. Because right hand side is given as 2a square minus 3b square. Let's solve question number 14. Here you see question number 14 is question number 14 4. Question number 14 is given as a plus 4 into a plus 2 is equal to a square plus 8 is equal to a square plus 8. Let us find left hand side. The value of left hand side is equal to a plus 4 into a plus 2. It can be written as a into a plus 2 plus 4 into a plus 2, a plus 2. Therefore, we are getting a into a is a square plus 2a plus 4a plus 4 to 8. Therefore, we are getting a square. 2a plus 4 is 6a plus 8, which is not equal to right hand side. Because right hand side is given as a square plus 8. Let's solve question number 15. Question number 15 is given as a minus 4 into a minus 2 is equal to a square minus 8. Let us find the left hand side. Left hand side is given as a minus 4 into a minus 2. That we are getting a into a minus 2 minus 4 into a minus 2. That we are getting a square minus 2a minus 4a. Minus into minus is plus. 4 into is 8. Therefore, we are getting a square minus 6a plus 8 plus 8, which is not equal to right hand side, because right hand side is given as a square minus 8. We'll solve question number 16. Question number 16 is equal to, question number 16 is 3x square divided by 3x square is equal to 0. If we find the value of left hand side, then we are getting 3x square divided by 3x square. It may be written as 3 into x divided by 3 into x into x. These 3 will cancel. There is 1, 1. X will also cancel. 1, 1. X will also 1, 1. So we are getting 1 by 1, 1 by 1, which is equal to 1. And that is not equal to right hand side. It is not equal to right hand side, because right hand side is given as 0. That is the error. Now we'll solve question number 17. Question number 17, you see here is, question number 17 is 3x square plus 1 divided by 3x square is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Let us find the value of left hand side. Value of left hand side is equal to 3x square plus 1 divided by 3x square, or it can be written as 3x square by 3x square plus 1 by 3x square. That is equal to, this is equal to 1 plus 1 by 3x square, which is not equal to our right hand side, because they have written as 1 plus 1, which is not correct. The answer will be 1 plus 1 by 3x square. Where reason 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, it is not equal to right hand side. Now question number 18. Question number 18 here you see is 3x divided by 3x plus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Find the value of left hand side. The value of left hand side is equal to 3x by 3x plus 2 by 3x plus 2, which is not equal to right hand side, which is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, this is wrong, that it is 1 by 2. It will be the value 3x divided by 3x plus 2, which is not equal to 1 by 2. Now question number 19. Question number 19 will be, now we'll solve question number 19. Question number 19 is 3 divided by 4x plus 3, 4x plus 3, that is equal to 1 by 4x. Here left hand side is equal to 3 divided by 4x plus 3. We cannot solve this problem. The answer will be same, that is 3 divided by 4x plus 3. If we compare to this one, this is not equal to 1 by 4x. It is not equal to 1 by 4x. Right? Let's solve question number 20 and 21. Solve question number 20. Question number 20 is, here you see is question number 20. Question number 20 is 4x plus 5 divided by 4x, that is equal to 5. If you find the left hand side, then you are getting 4x plus 5 divided by 4x, or it can be written as 4x by 4x plus 5 by 4x, 5 by 4x, or it can be written as 1 plus 5 by 4x plus 5 by 4x, which is not equal to right hand side, because right hand side the answer is given as 5. That is the error. We'll solve question number 21. Question number 21 is 7x plus 5 divided by 5, that is equal to 7x. 7x. If we find the left hand side, then we are getting 7x plus 5 divided by 5, or it can be written as 7x by 5 plus 5 by 5, or it can be written as 7x by 5 plus 1. This is the correct answer, and it is not equal to right hand side, not equal to right hand side. That is, error is given, because in the right hand side it is 7x, which is not same as 7x by 5 plus 1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.